So, my report today is respiratory of cultural issues and heritage structures laid waste. So, respiratories of cultural issues is a receptacle or place where things are deposited, stored in Philippines. UNESCO, UNESCO, also known as United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Culture Organization. In the new respiratories of cultural issues, it declares that there are two approaches to preserve cultural heritage. One is to record it in tangible form and conserve it in an archive. The other is to preserve it in living form by ensuring its transmission to the next generations. The establishment of SLT is in response to the second approach. A person to whom something interested or confided, UNESCO has always encouraged the recognition of technological advancements, an important interchange of human values. Over a span of time or within a cultural area, the world on development in architecture or technology, monumental arts, town planning, and landscape design. Wikipedia is currently some kind of space for advancement of human intelligence if it is in any kind of space at all, and that might be the issue. Now, for the second one, heritage structures laid waste. Example of this are those heritage sites in official locations where pieces of political, military, cultural, or social history has been preserved due to their cultural heritage. Halimbawa po nito, yung Intramuros, Rizal Park, yung heritage sites po na may mga naiwang sinaunang, yung mga may history po na ano, ganun. But slowly forgotten such as Tubular Reefs National Marine Park and Royce Terraces of the Philippines, Cordilleras, the historic town of Bigan, the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, and the Boracay churches of the Philippines. Santo Tomas de Villanueva in Megao, typically a heritage building means a structure that requires preservation because of its historical, architectural, cultural, aesthetic, or ecological value. Ito yung mga preserve natin ng mga sinaunang panahon, yung mga may history po talaga ng mga pagkaganapan or mga nangyari sa isang lugar. Tulad ng sa ibang bansa, yung Great Wall of China, yung mga ganun. Point.